Unknown facts about Marvel Cinematic Universe that will blow your mind. The Mandarin, the primary villain in Iron Man 3, 2013, was originally intended to be a more faithful adaptation of the character from the comics, but the filmmakers decided to subvert expectations and make him a fake. The character of Agent Coulson, played by Clark Gregg, was created specifically for the MCU and did not originate in the comics. The Wakandan language spoken in Black Panther, 2018, was created specifically for the movie by a linguist named Beth McGuire. The director of Thor, Ragnarok, 2017, Taika Waititi, played the character Korg using motion capture and his own voice. In Spider-Man: Homecoming, 2017, the name of the high school attended by Peter Parker was changed from Midtown High to the fictional Midtown School of Science and Technology. In Avengers: Endgame, 2019, the sound of the Hulk's snap was created by combining the sounds of a chicken, a penguin, and a whale. The scene in Avengers: Infinity War, 2018, in which Thor meets the Guardians of the Galaxy was written by James Gunn, the director of the first two Guardians of the Galaxy movies. The actor who played the villain Crossbones in Captain America: The Winter Soldier, 2014, Frank Grillo, was originally auditioning for the role of Captain America. The character of Ant-Man, played by Paul Rudd, was originally created in the comics in the 1960s by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby, but the version seen in the MCU is based on a later incarnation. The suit worn by Iron Man in Avengers: Infinity War, 2018, was partially inspired by the bleeding-edge armor from the comics, which was created using nanotechnology. The opening scene of Captain America: The Winter Soldier, 2014, in which Steve Rogers goes for a morning run, was shot in Cleveland, Ohio, rather than Washington, D.C., where the movie is set. The character of Yondu, played by Michael Rooker, was originally designed to look like the actor, but director James Gunn decided to give him a different appearance, including a blue skin color. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such facts videos.